Hi everyone. So I was saying my name is Sibusiso Mdhluli. So I joined NASSP in 2016 as part of the bridging program. Then I did the final honors in 2017. So today I'm just going to be sharing with you some of the work that I've been doing with the Akhonuku Institute for Science and Technology. Using some of the knowledge that I've gained from NASSP as part of astronomy students. So today I'm just going to talk about the programs that we've been doing to help high school students improve in maths and science, focusing in rural areas, which is basically where I am from. So the reason why we've been working on this work is that, like, as we all know, South Africa has been performing poorly in the international benchmark when it comes to the maths and sciences. So our goal, what we're trying to do, is to develop a sustainable model to help solve this challenge, and also using astronomy to create interest in high school students in sciences and mathematics. So in order to solve this problem, what we've been doing at the Institute, so we set up a summer school program, which is a 3-week summer school program for grade 11 students, which run during December and January holidays, so focusing on grade 11 students. So during the program, the students are introduced to mathematics, physics, and astronomy. So they're introduced to grade 12 physics and mathematics as a plan of introducing them early to the content, which we believe that while we do that, it will enable them to perform better in their grade 12 year. So we've been doing this for quite some time, almost 8 years now. So the picture here that I'm showing is just the student that we've hosted last year at a summer school, which they did maths. Like I said, they did maths, grade 12 maths, they were introduced to grade 12 maths, physics, and they were introduced to astronomy. So one of the good things about this program, in order to make it sustainable, which is one of our main goals, is the student who participate in this program, they're expected to come back and done the program the following year, which it enables the program to be able to sustain itself, because it maintained by the student locally. So we've been running this program in Akhonuku, which is where I'm from, in Mpumalanga province, for local high school. We studied mainly at one of the high school, which is Magogwaza High School. So so these are just some of the pictures of the students that we've hosted in the previous years. So this group was from, I think this was 2016, and then we had 2017, then 2018. This was 2019 and 2020. And then, these are just some of the students that was the previous years. So so we're using this program. So like I said, we've been running this program for 8 years as of last year. And then most of our students who participated in the program, they've actually reported that they've performed better than the student who didn't attend the program. And even teachers have testified that the student who participated in the program, they actually perform better in mathematics and sciences. So most of our students are currently at universities. Some of our students actually have graduated. And one of the interesting that most of our students are actually pursuing STEM fields. So, and one of the things that the student reported is that doing astronomy actually is inspired them to want to pursue STEM field through participating in this summer school program. So one of the other projects that we are working on at the Institute to help students improve in maths and science. So in 2022, we launched a science lab, which is at Magogwaza High School, which was our first prototype. So we had grade 8 and 9 students doing maths, physics, and astronomy. So this was our first prototype in 2022. So we're currently working on this project from what we have learned to expand to other schools locally to support other schools, because the students they're actually exposed to science and mathematics and astronomy at the early age, which we believe by doing that, it will actually inspire more local students to actually want to do science and mathematics. So another project that we do at the Institute, we do career guidance. So what we do, we visit schools, just talk to them about the careers that are available in sciences. So, which is mostly my interest, which is astronomy. So here, just last year, one of the projects that we did, we were visiting schools to talk to them about astronomy, what is astronomy, and what they can do by doing astronomy. So these are primary and high school students. So these are kind of one of the projects that we're doing to inspire local students, because these are rural areas, so students are completely not exposed. We find that most of the time, this stuff are completely new to them. So one of the projects I'm also leading currently is we're working on setting up a science center. So the science center, which is set up also locally at one of the community centers called Wisani Community Center. So what the goal of this science center, we want to make it like a hub where the local school can come in, the local school student can come and do hands-on science, learn about different sciences and what they can do by pursuing science, because like one of the challenges that we've discovered is that many local schools they don't have like facilities, which is one of the limiting factor for students who want to like really do science. They're doing a lot of theory. So what we're currently doing with this project, we want to make it a hub where like students can come and do hands-on science, work on different things, get exposed, and learn about what they can do with doing science and mathematics. So that's one of the projects that I'm currently leading, that we're currently working on at the institute. And so other projects that we're working on this year is like training local teachers. So what we want to do, I train local teachers in astronomy, which we're focusing on teachers who are doing mathematics, science, and in technology, with the goal that we believe that astronomy, they can use it as a tool in the classroom, like to actually inspire students. So one of the things that we're also doing to get students to do mathematics is on June, we're planning to have a grade 8 and 9 mathematics competition for the local schools, which we believe that they will actually contribute very well in getting students who want to get involved in doing mathematics, and hopefully this will inspire them. So one of the things that we're also doing, which I'm sure most of you see because I've done astronomy at the NASSP, is astronomy winter school. So working on setting up also a astronomy winter school for the local girls to expose them in astronomy, to get them to do different things in astronomy and get to interact with other people who are in the field in astronomy, hopefully women. So that's one of the things that we are working on doing, which we believe will inspire also local girls to get involved in science. So the other thing we're also doing is like the girls workshop, which we'll be having it soon, where like it's almost going to be like a one-day workshop, like girls from the local school, they're going to be interacting with other people, I expect, like in the STEM field. So yeah, those are kind of other projects that currently like I'm leading at the institute, which is I hope we get to see what doing astronomy with NASSP is kind of directing me to work on kind of stuff, which is, yeah, those are kind of what I've shared today. I don't know if I made sense. I hope it makes sense. Yeah, these are kind of things that I'm currently working on with the institute. Yeah, otherwise, thank you. I think that's about it.